Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off safe mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have enabled safe mode or if you have accidentally turned on safe mode in your phone, if you would like to turn off safe mode as of now, yes, you can do it. What you do is first of all, see here, this is safe mode. Okay, you can understand that your phone is safe mode if safe mode label is printed in the bottom left side. Okay, if you would like to go get into the normal mode, what you have to do is just press power button and volume up button together. Press power button and volume up button together and just click on restart button, and your phone now will be restarting into normal mode. Okay, so if you are in this safe mode, what you have to do is just restart your phone so that you can turn off safe mode and you can bring back normal mode in your phone. See what will happen. Now I am checking. I have restarted my phone and wait for rebooting. Just wait. Yes, see in the bottom left side there is no such label like safe mode because it is in normal mode now. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off safe mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.